Welcome. This will provide an overview of the changes from EPO 4.5 to 4.6. In general, you'll see expanded drag and drop support, including queries, the system tree, report designer, and dashboards. You'll also be able to multi-select table rows using shift and click to select or deselect multiple rows. We'll be looking at dashboards, the system tree, client tasks, queries and reports, and policies. One of the first things when you log in is you'll notice the login message for EPO Administrator. On to dashboards. There are a number of new features. You'll be able to use pull-down menus to select your dashboard monitor, to perform an action on those monitors, or to create a new monitor. You'll be able to use a monitor gallery to drag and drop dashboard elements, configure options, and move and resize individual monitors. You'll also be able to import and export dashboards and all the associated queries. And you'll be able to share those dashboards with groups of users such as others at your business unit. Now let's look at the system tree. There are now custom filters that you can create and save to create different views of your system tree. And in the same manner, the assigned client task can also have some filters to allow you to sort and view them better. For example, you can just look at product update tasks or perhaps just product deployment tasks. You can also use the quick find area to find your task. Then digging into individual systems, you will find a much improved interface there with the top area providing you some quick summary information and the lower area providing some tabbed views of specific components. One of the nice tabs is a threat events tab that shows you all the threat events on that individual system. Now let's take a look at client tasks. There are actually some items over here in the policy submenu. You can see here there are client task catalog and client task assignments. Also note how you can drag things to the top menu bar if you didn't know about that option already. The client task catalog is new, provides you a much more different view to client tasks, and you can see them sorted out by the different products. Remember that deploying products like VirusScan is going to appear under the McAfee agent. The Client Task Assignment button is just a shortcut to the Client Task Assignment tab in the system tree. So it's just another way to get at this. In EPO 4.5, we just had queries. In 4.6, we introduced a new thing called reports. The queries portion is pretty much the same with not many changes. You'll still have the different shared groups, different reports, and you can create and edit. And here's a look at the new reports area within the EPO console. This has the ability to combine different queries into a single report, as well as customize the report with images, other text, and other features. Gannett IT will be doing more work in regards to reports and providing more guidance on how to create and run these reports. But in the meantime, you may want to try this feature to see what things you might want to be able to get out of this. And the final area is policy. There's not many changes to this, just a few menu options. As mentioned previously, there's now Client Task Catalog and Client Task Assignments. There's also a Policy Assignments option that again is a shortcut to the system tree. But other than that, everything's the same with policies. So that's it for the overview. Let us know if you have any other questions. Thanks.